Why don't we start with the victims, no? So we'll be able to know more, and our resource speakers perhaps could be able to know more about what the victims are trying to say here. So, well, let's start with Attorney Conti, no? Being the lawyer for the victims. Go ahead.
Good morning to the members of the committee. For today, we would like to defer to the victims for their own statements. Today, we brought 3 victims whose kin, husband, son, and minor son have been killed in police operations and vigilante killings. Maybe perhaps we could start with Adalia Cuartero.
First of all, I'd like to find out, Attorney Conti, why only 3? When you have a lot that you're actually speaking of.
Your Honor, we are trying to parse through our membership because not all of the victims would like to come forward.
Are they still afraid to come out?
Yes, Your Honor.
We have already given them the last hearing. Sinabi ko sa kanila na huwag kayong matatakot dito. Kung talagang gusto nyo ng justice, dapat lumabas na kayo. My goodness, how can we have justice here? And kung hindi lumalabas yung mga magulo ng mga biktima natin. That's the reason why nahihirapan ang mga kapulisan natin. At sinasabi nila, ayaw nilang bisigahan to. Now, again, let me say, Attorney Conti, no? We would like to ask the parents of the victims to come out. Wala silang dapat ikaba dito. Palagay ko naman itong ating mga Philippine National Police, may compassion naman to. Mga tao naman to na nakikita ang injustice na nangyayari.
Yes, thank you.
In fact, in the last hearing, inamin naman ni Secretary Guevara na mayroong human rights violations. Nung last hearing, inamin din ni General Abellade. You know, and the thing is, they're here today to be able to find out. That's the reason why my frustration is, why only 3 when we have more? And your reason that they are afraid to come out, come on, that's a preposterous reason, Attorney Conti.
Your Honor, the psychosocial support that we provide to the victims takes years. It is re-traumatization for them to retell their stories in a public
This
scenario
committee,
and with
Attorney
other
Conti,
policemen,
has
Your Honor.
promised protection for them.
Yes, Your Honor,
This
we
committee
understand.
has promised protection for them, and I am going to lay my life on the line on this.
We thank
That's the
you
reason
for-
why we are now investigating this. Oh, ano man ang mangyari? The thing is, what we are after is this. Meron bang human rights violations? Inamin ng iba. Oo. Okay. Meron bang illegal na nangyari? Yung mga biktima, nais natin, ito lang ba mga matatapang? You know, please tell them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ngayon lamang, okay, even Secretary Guevara said that is the first time Congress is investigating after so many years. Why? Because kahit na so many years yan, injustice yan eh. Kahit na umabot ng 10 taon yan, injustice pa rin yan. At may remorse pa rin na feeling yung mga biktima. Ang frustration ko lang is this. Bakit hindi nag-a-appeal na natatakot? Aba, hindi na kinakailang matakot dito. Kung ako, tinatabangan ko yung sarili ko eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh.
We thank you for the assurance, Your Honor, but again, we allow the victims to process their grief and their healing at their own
Go ahead, you
pace.
call